In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your contacts on PayPal. Start by opening your web browser and going to paypal.com. Sign in if you're prompted to do so. Once you're in, you should land on your account summary page. This page shows your balance, recent activity, and, importantly for this walkthrough, a Send Again section that highlights people you've paid recently. We'll use that area to access your full contact list. On the summary page, look for a small three-dot icon near the Send Again label or within that panel. It usually appears as a vertical set of three dots and acts as a menu button for extra actions. If your browser window is narrow, that panel can compress or shift lower on the page. So try maximizing your window or scrolling a bit until you see the Send Again area. If your account is newer or you haven't sent money yet, the section might look empty, but the three-dot menu should still appear nearby on the summary screen. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Manage Contacts. This is the shortcut that takes you directly to PayPal's Contact Manager without digging through multiple pages. It's the quickest route from the summary view and works whether you have just a few saved contacts or a long history of payments. After you choose Manage Contacts, you'll see your contacts collected in one place. This list typically includes people or businesses you've sent money to before, requested money from, or saved as contacts in PayPal. You'll usually see names and the limited details PayPal stores for sending and receiving, along with any profile information that contact has chosen to display. Depending on your view, there may be a search field at the top to help you quickly locate someone by name or email. If your list looks short, it simply means PayPal hasn't accumulated many connections on your account yet. The list grows as you transact. A couple of quick tips to avoid confusion. Make sure you're on the summary page, rather than deep inside the activity section, since the menu we're using appears next to the Send Again panel. If you don't see the option right away, give the page a moment to finish loading or refresh the tab. Interfaces can shift slightly over time, so the three-dot menu might sit just above or beside the panel depending on your region or account type. On mobile devices, the wording and placement can vary, but you're still looking for the Manage Contacts option from the home screen's related menu, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly view your PayPal contacts from the summary page, confirm details before sending money, and keep track of the people you transact with most.